You might think this is gala, but trust me, it's a homemade sausage roll that is fresh, flaky, and absolutely delicious. Today I'm going to show you step by step on how to make this perfect sausage roll. So let's start with the ingredients. You need flour. We're going to add flour into a sieve. The measurements will be in the description box. Then we're going to add margarine into that same bowl that flour is in it. Then we're going to add salt for taste. Then you just use your hand to incorporate the margarine with the flour. You see that it will form like breadcrumb like texture. That's what you want. Then you are going to make a hole into the flour and then add water to it. For this I added cold water because I want the crust of the sausage roll to be flaky. So add cold water to your own and just add everything together. Make sure you mix the dry and the water together. And when you mix it properly, this is what you get. And this is the texture of the dough. Yes, it's not too stretchy and it's just firm but not too stretchy. So I'm just going to set that one aside and allow it to rest in the fridge. Because when you allow it to rest in the fridge, it comes out more flaky. So let's prep for our filling. I'm using beef red meat. The beef will have at home. And I'm just going to pop it into a blender. Because this is actually like a homemade recipe. Anything you have at home, just use it. So I'm just going to blend this till it gets to this form. And then I'm going to put it in another bowl so that I'll be able to add my ingredients. So this is Suya pepper because I want it to have a really enriching flavor. And I'm going to add salt to taste because what is the feeling without salt? And that's thyme. And this is curry. And this is seasoning powder. So we're now just going to mix everything together so that all the flavors will come together in this filling. So when you mix properly, you will get something like this. And I'm going to add egg. And this egg is going to serve as a coagulant that is going to hold everything together. And so that our filling will have form in the sausage roll. Do you understand? So you are going to mix it, incorporate it together, and this is what you should get when you properly knead it. So this is our dough after resting in the fridge for 30 minutes. I'm going to stretch it out using a rolling pin. You want it to be really smooth so that your rolls will come out looking really smooth. If you're enjoying the video so far, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. The dough is perfectly rolled out, so I'm going to use a cutter to cut out the rough edges. You want your sausage roll to look very nice and presentable, so cut out the rough edges from it. You can use a knife if you don't have a cutter. I'm just going to remove the edges, and I'm not throwing these edges away or no. I'm going to use it for the next sausage roll I'm going to be doing. So we are now going to add the filling to this dough. Just add it in one corner because you don't want to overcrowd the dough, and so that it will be able to close properly. So just going to spread it out evenly. And then we're going to fold it in. You can see that it's very easy to make this dough. Just roll it, and you can see I left the edges, so I mixed water with flour for this, and that's what we're going to use to seal the dough. So you just use a brush to put it on the dough and then just roll your dough. It will actually seal. You can see how perfect this looks. This actually looks like gala, if you want to be sincere with ourselves. Look at it. Look at how smooth the dough is. So when you repeat the process, you should get beautiful rolls like this. Does this not look like gala? It does. Should we rename this gala? So I'm going to arrange the rolls on a grease pan. Please note, always grease your pan before baking your pastries so that it won't stick. And I'm going to add egg so that the rolls will be shiny and to just glaze it for it to look more beautiful than this. So if you've gotten to this point, you're going to preheat your oven for 5 to 10 minutes and then bake for 30 minutes on low heat. And after baking, this is what you get, your beautiful sausage roll. I feel like there are some things you can just do in your home rather than buying. Just buy flour and just practicalize it a lot of things. You can even check my channel for other recipes. I post a lot of pastry recipes. Look at this now. This is so delicious. It was finished in one sitting and I made this for my family and they really enjoyed it. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel.